And I'm gonna boost the zoom a little bit. All right, it's a windy day here at Mary Lay's Cottages. I'm taking me a little video. I'm gonna put some music to this thing. I got Dennis here. He done got bammed up in a wreck, all banged up, and wind is whooping out here today. In the smoking area, in the dark over there. I don't know who this fella is. There goes my neighbor stood up, and that's old Jamie. I accused him of taking my doggone Timberlands this morning, but he got doggone tan soles instead of white soles, so he's off the hook. But I still think he got on size 14. There comes Shannon. She thinks it's winter time, but I'm gonna move back because she says she's been sick for a couple of days, and I can't take no sicknesses.
Still sick.
Uh-oh, still sick. I'm still backing up then. That's the way it go around here.